Hey guys, so I'm going to teach you how to do the alcohol pouring technique the way that I do it. Online you could find so many different recipes using different products. I'm going to keep it super simple in the way that I've created the art pieces. So here's what you're going to need. You'll need Flood. This is Floetrol. You can get this at the hardware store or online. Every piece that you need to create this art is in the body of this blog, so you can click and buy the pieces, but you can also get that at the hardware store. Any acrylic paint that you want in any color. Sometimes the crazier color combos are better. I'm going to use a rainbow of colors now to show you that. And then you'll also need some silicone, 100% silicone. This could be treadmill silicone lubricant, it could be bike lubricant. You just want it to be 100% silicone. So here's the recipe that I use. 2 parts of that Floetrol, the paint additive, 1 part acrylic paint, and then about 5 to 7 drops of the silicone, depending on how much. So you want to take every color and you want to mix it separately. So the red with the Floetrol in 1 cup, orange, so on and so forth. And then you just want to make sure that you mix it together enough that there are no lumps in the paint. So just keep mixing it around till it's really nice and smooth. So the consistency is a little bit watery, but nothing too crazy. So here's another tip. I put silicone in every single color except for white. So for white, I'll just use the Floetrol and the paint color. Then I'll add the silicone. So I'm gonna add just a few drops, about 5 to 7 in each color except for the white. Give it a little stir. And now one by one, I'm gonna add these paint colors into a separate cup. This is the cup that's gonna flip over the canvas. Now all of the paint colors are in this 1 cup. You place the canvas on top of the cup and flip it over and let go. And you just let it move around the canvas, covering it, and it creates this marble effect. And you just keep moving it all the way around. Little by little too, as it dries, some of the under coats will seep through to the top. So you can see the white really is prominent, which is why I don't use the silicone. It'll seep through, it's a heavier pigment. So that's it. Once you find that you have the organic pattern that you want, lie it flat, let it dry, and you're done. It is a super easy project. If you recreate this at home, please let me know. Leave a comment below or even show me a picture of your own masterpiece. Thanks so much for watching. I'm so glad you guys liked the project.